Okay. Two losing trades on nasdaq today. We had market open right here. Came down, swept liquidity, came back up, and then we have like pretty smooth price action. Just maintaining the bullish structure, filling the bullish gaps, not inversing them, going up, going up. I went long right here. It kind of had a bad entry, really bad entry. I top ticked this one red candle here, and I was targeting this high right here. This is a New York AM high from March 13th. That was Friday. So we're targeting Friday's high. I wanted to hit it really bad. Let's actually go back to the 1 hour. We inverse this gap down here. So we got pretty decent bullish structure on the 1 hour. It's looking pretty good to take out that high. And I took a stab at it right here. So this is brutal. It was looking good for a bit. In profit for, had a bit of a pull down. It was actually, I had my stops when I entered. Obviously I had my stops down here to start, and then I moved them up to somewhere around there. Once we were in like a little bit of profit, it was okay. It was like what, 30 points? Yeah, 34 points at a point. Really thought we were just going to take it out, but no, it couldn't be that easy. I think Trump was speaking right at 10:30 New York time, so 7:30 here. And yeah, we were going up, looking good, and then 7:30 hit Pacific time, and we got stopped out pretty much immediately. That was a bit of a bummer. And then we basically just like barcoded sideways. I put the charts away, and then I came back to it, and I was looking at this here, and I was like, damn, I feel like we're really going to take that. We kind of had this, not that I like to draw trend lines, but I was like, if we go to this trend line, I might either short, or if we break through this, maybe I'll long. And then on the S&P, we had an even cleaner trend line. I know that's brutal, but I was like willing to take a stab at it anyway, if it'll load. Holy smokes. Yeah, pretty clean on the S&P. So I took a stab at it somewhere here. We were respecting these gaps. We had or what was the 15-minute look like? We were inversing the 15-minute. There's one here. Inversed it. It's a pretty messy chart. And then we built a new one right here. And that was enough. Scale down to the 1 minute. Yeah, I entered right after we inversed this 1 minute here. So this is like bouncing off the trend line. And we tagged it, went up, went through it, came back down for a little retest, liquidity grab. Had a 1 minute IFVG here. I entered after a little pullback, got a pretty okay entry on that. And then kind of bumping around sideways a bit. And again, I think I moved my stop loss. Where did I sell? Yeah, I think I sold like, I moved my stop loss right after this wick here. It was like right there. And again, a little bit of profit. We were targeting the New York, I was only targeting this morning's New York AM high on this trade. I was like, oh, I'll probably get that. But no, again, it can't be that easy. It literally just came down. My initial stop loss was here, which we would have been stopped out anyway. So it was, I don't know, it was, I guess, better cut than what it would have been, because we would have got stopped out anyway. But boom, came down, grabbed liquidity, and literally there was no volume all day. There's barely any fair value gaps. There's zero volume. We barely moved 100 points. up or down all day. And then literally the entire day's liquidity. I don't even know what this is, if there was news or what the hell is going on. But literally one 1 minute candle would have been full TP. And I fucking missed it. So that sucks. I really had a good feeling about that. I've been taking stabs at it lately where I just draw out the chart of what I would take and just kind of paper trade it. And like I've had like the last like 5 or 6 in a row where I've just paper traded, blasting a stop loss, take profit like this, graph up, and it's hit it every time. And I thought, you know what? I don't want to put another one down just on paper. I'm feeling good about this. I'll do a live one. And sure enough, put one micro in there and got stopped out. Small losses for the day, though. It's not bad after taking 2 stabs that were, I don't know, they were decent, but $33 loss. I'll take it. Could have been worse. But yeah, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Like, feeling personally attacked on this one again, which is really frustrating. Yeah, that's it for today.